Now, in the name of Jesus, I decree restoration. May every wayward worshiper today return back to God. May every backsliding worshiper today return back to God. Your restoration is established. Your job that is stolen from you will come back. Your business stolen from you will be restored. Your marriage will be restored. You won't suffer any siege of kidnapping. Ritual killers won't know where you live. You won't suffer any form of accident. Domestic accident, road accident, air accident, accident on the sea. This is an accident-free year for you. In the name of Jesus.